A very warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Professor Nagari SS from Department of Chemistry, KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. In this lecture, we are going to take some MCQs for practice purpose for SPPU TYBSc Semester 2nd Online Examination 2021. These MCQs are based upon the chapter number 1st, Electrochemical Cells. In this lecture, we are going to take the part first of these MCQs. These MCQs we have to solve with proper explanation. Before starting the actual solving of these MCQs, those who are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get the notification for the upcoming important lectures on the MCQs as well as the important topics from the syllabus. So let's start this lecture. The first MCQ's question is here. The electrolytic cell is a device which converts electrical energy into, and the options are potential energy, second one is the chemical energy, option C is activation energy, and option D is internal energy. We know the classification of cell as electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell depending upon the interconversion of either electrical to chemical energy or chemical to electrical energy. Now the cell, this electrolytic cell is there. So this electrolytic cell involves the conversion of this electrical energy into the correct option among these four is nothing but the option B is the correct option. That is it converts electrical energy into the chemical energy. So that device is called as the electrolytic cell. The next question number 2 is here, and that question is the electrode is a combination of metal, that is element, and its solution, and the options are A option is a neutral solution, B option is a dilute solution, C is standard solution, and the option D is ionic solution. Now we know very well the formation of the electrode. In order to form an electrode, we have to choose a proper metal or element, and when we take this proper metal or element, at that time we have to immerse that particular metal in a particular solution. Now among these solutions, these four options is here, and the correct option among these four options is nothing but the option D, that we have to immerse that metal or element into a particular ionic solution. Then that particular part, total part, is called as the electrode. The third question is here, and the question is the tendency of a metal to enter the solution in the form of positive ions leaving behind the electrons on a metal is called as, and the options are A option is the solution pressure, B is osmotic pressure, C is atmospheric pressure, and D is all of these. Now in order to take into consideration the tendency of a metal to enter in a solution in the form of positive ions leaving behind the electrons on the metal. So this is the tendency of some metals which show this type of the tendency, and among this tendency there is a name is given to such a type of the tendency of metal, and so among these four the correct option is nothing but the option A is there, that is it is called as the solution pressure. So this tendency of a metal is called as the solution pressure. The next question number 4 is here. In representation of a cell, the negative electrode or electrode with higher oxidation potential is always written to the, and the four options are A option is left, B is right, C is center, and D is both left and right. We know the conventions regarding the representation of a cell. So different type of the conventions are there. So one of the convention is there in which if a electrode having a negative charge or that electrode having a higher oxidation potential, then that electrode, we know very well that that electrode is always written on the left hand side, and that's why the correct option of this MCQ number 4 is nothing but the option A. That electrode always we have to write at the left hand side. The next question, question number 5 is here. In cell representation, the presence of salt bridge is indicated by vertical line between the two salt solutions, and the options are A option is single, B option is double, C option is a triple, and D option is either single or double. Now in order to separate the two half cells, we use the different type of the methods. The use of this salt bridge is one of them. Now, if we want to represent that particular cell in a short notation by using this type of the conventions, so in order to indicate the presence of the particular salt bridge, then that presence of a salt bridge is represented by, and the correct option among these four is nothing but the option B, that is, it is indicated by the double vertical line. So double vertical line presence indicates the presence of salt bridge. The next question, question number 6 is here. The EMF of the cell is the of a oxidation potential of LHS electrode and a reduction potential of RHS electrode. So if we want to calculate EMF of a cell, so how to calculate that EMF of a cell? If oxidation potential of LHS electrode and the reduction potential of RHS electrode is given, and the four options are: A option is the sum, B option is the subtraction, C option is the multiplication, and the D option is the division. And the correct option among these four is option A, that is, it is the sum of oxidation potential as well as the reduction potential of these LHS and RHS electrode respectively. The next question, number 7 is here. The electrode whose potential is accurately known is called as the electrode, and the four options are: A option is the null electrode, B option is active electrode, C is passive electrode, and the D option is a standard electrode. We know the types of the electrode, so depending upon some characteristics or some properties which can be fulfilled by a particular electrode, one name is given to that particular electrode, and that electrode is called as the standard electrode. The correct option is standard electrode. So those electrode whose potential is accurately known, and then that electrode is called as the standard electrode. Next question, number 8 is here. The unit of a EMF of a cell is, and the four options are: A is ampere, B is a calorie, C is a volt, and the option D is ohm. And the correct option among these four is nothing but the option C. The unit of EMF of a cell is a volt. The next question, number 9 is here. At the junction of two liquids, a potential difference is developed, which is called as potential. And the four options are: electrode potential, B is standard potential, C is liquid junction potential, and the D is a cell potential. We know very well that when the two liquids are in a close proximity to each other, one type of the potential is developed or generated at the boundary between these two liquids, and that particular potential is called as, and the correct option is option C, it is called as the liquid junction potential. The next question, question number 10 is here. The K in a bracket Hg is which type of the electrode? So this representation is used for which type of the electrodes, and the four options are: A option is a metal ion electrode, B option is a gas electrode, C option is a redox electrode, and the D option is a amalgam electrode. And among these four, the correct option is this type of the representation is called as the option D is correct answer, that is it is called as the amalgam electrode. Means we take a particular metal and along with we take the mercury. So this type of the combination is called as the amalgam, and the form electrode is called as the amalgam electrode. The next question, number 11 is here. The electrolytic cell is used in which of the following? And the four options are: A is Daniell cell, B is a common dry cell, C is a lead storage battery, and D is electrolysis of water. And the correct option among these four is nothing but the option D is there, that is, it is called as the electrolysis of water. So in this electrolysis of water, we use the electrolytic cell. The next question, number 12 is here. The tendency of metal ions to deposit on the surface of metal in the form of metal is known as, and the four options are: A option is osmotic pressure, B option is a solution pressure, C option is atmospheric pressure, and the D is a vapor pressure. And the correct option among these four is nothing but this tendency of these metal ions to deposit on a surface of a metal in the form of a metal is called as, the option A is correct, it is called as the osmotic pressure. Next question, number 13 is here. Which is not the function of a salt bridge? And the four options are: A option is it maintains the electrical contact between the two solutions, B option is it avoids diffusion of solutions between the two half cells, option C is it does not connect two half cells internally, and option D is it maintains the electrical neutrality in the two electrolyte. Now, if we carefully observe all these four options, option A is a function of a salt bridge, option B is also a function of salt bridge, option D is also a function of a salt bridge. But if we look towards the option C, it is not the function of a salt bridge, means it does not connect to a hub cells internally. It is not the function of a salt bridge because the salt bridge connect to hub cells internally. So this option C is the correct answer, means it is not the function of the salt bridge, while the remaining three are the functions of the salt bridge. The next question, number 14, is here. The cell which obeys thermodynamic conditions of reversibility is known as, and the four options are: A option is a irreversible cell, B option is a reversible cell, C option is a Daniell cell, and the D option is a dry cell. And among these four options, the correct option is, means the cell which obey thermodynamic conditions of reversibility is known as, option B is the correct, that cell is known as reversible cell. The next question, question number 15, is here. The EMF of a cell can be measured with the help of, and the four options are: option A is pH meter, option B is a conductivity meter, option C is a potentiometer, and option D is a colorimeter. And among these four, the correct option is nothing but the option C, that is the EMF of a cell is measured with the help of potentiometer. So these are the some MCQs which are for practice purpose in order to face the upcoming online examination for semester 2nd for TYBSc on a chapter electrochemical cells. I hope you understand all these MCQs along with a supportive explanation. In upcoming next lecture, we will take some another MCQs for practice purpose on the same chapter as well as the some remaining chapters. So with this, I stop here. Thank you so much.